What's up, man?
Hey, man.
What are we doing?
We're back at it after far too long. It's kind of funny being on this particular trip. Neither one of us are on staff with the organization we used to be, but we somehow ended up here anyway.
Haha, yes. 7 years in a row we've knocked this out. Camping trip for 50. A bunch of them are not here right now. And now we are going to give you a special treat involving a giant stump and a chainsaw, so stick with us. We have an entire stump here of Fatwood. This is what you're seeing. And it has long been a dream of mine, ever since I saw the video on Two Brothers Adventures, to cut up a big stump, if you could find one, with a chainsaw and burn it tonight in the fire. So that's what we're gonna try to do. We're gonna chainsaw this thing and throw it in the fire tonight, and it should be amazing. I mean, this thing is super pure. You can see in there for most of it, so that's what we're up to. Yeah.
Give it a go.
Dude! Oh. Oh. Yes. So saw didn't make it all the way through, but we knocked out, using the maul, some huge pieces, just huge pieces that will burn very well in the fire tonight. So I think you're a little dissatisfied that we didn't get it all, but our saw quit working. So I'm carrying all this down, but Evan won't give up, and he's going to town on his stump, and there's almost nothing left of it. This is an entire giant stump of Fatwood now in our possession. Dude, man, this is quite the find, the likes of which I don't think I've seen before. That entire stump is just Fatwood, and it's insane. And it's really heavy, of course, with all that sap. Moving it down to camp. Might end up just getting the truck, getting it to the road, and leaving it for there.
Check it, dude. I was commenting on how amber colored these core pieces are.
Oh my goodness.
Pieces might be even more so.
Oh my goodness.
This is cool.
Dude. Man, is this safe to say this is the greatest find ever, Fatwood-wise?
For us, anyway.
Has YouTube seen the likes? Holy crap. Can we call this video the biggest Fatwood find ever?
I think I already watched a video to that effect. And as I recall, it was a stump like 10 feet tall, so probably not.
Can we call it the second greatest find on Fatwood?
That's probably accurate. We can say that with full confidence that it is factual.
Oh my goodness. Dude, look at the stuff beneath our saw line. It's just pure. My gosh.
That's really cool.
Do what? T-shirt when it dries.
Here it is. That's so awesome.
Mommy, this hand right here.
I know. It's great. I feel so much warmer now. I like never get cold, and like I just got really cold, and I was like, this is a little bit more.
It's dripping fire.
The angle over here is awesome.
I kind of basically part-time staff member.
Oh, yeah.
Did you put any product in? So me, Hayden, and Randy